So this has been my main desktop PC for the past 3 years. And today we're going to be stripping it down because I'm going to be selling some components of it so that I can rebuild it. It will be the same CPU, same GPU, same power supply, same storage. I'll probably upgrade the RAM. And I'll be getting a new motherboard and a new case, mini ITX. So, since I'm going to be going to university next year, I want to be able to take a smaller desktop with me. And I was thinking, maybe I could get a mini PC, but cost-wise it made more sense to just downsize this, and I'd have better performance. So yeah, let's get to it. Okay, so just as a final sort of send-off, I wanted to power this on last time, and also by doing that show one of my annoyances with the computer in its current state. It's quite noisy. Yeah, so I would be looking to get some quieter fans as well. And there we go. That's it for the last time. Now let's disassemble it. Yeah, so it's not a problem with the actual computer itself. My MacBook Air is just faster than it, so I'm not really using it for editing now. But I would still like to keep it around for running Linux and Windows programs. But yeah, so these components in the PC are perfectly fine still. I will be upgrading the RAM because that's the only issue I've had with this, is that 16 gigs isn't really enough to do anything with large language models, which I'm messing around with at the moment. So yeah, let's shut it down. And this will likely be my last main computer that I use with a DVD drive. Okay, so now let's start disassembling things. So let's take off this front cover. I'll take the sticker off. Oh, good luck job, Linus Tech Tips. Your stickers peel off without much residue. And I'll dust it out as well at the same time. And I'll also get this sticker. And my AMD sticker as well. There we go. So I'll clean those off later. Now let's take off this. That didn't sound good. I'll give it a better clean later. Now also this. Right, so now let's take off, I'll take off these antennas. Now we can open the thing up. Now, clean the dust off this. Same thing with the other side panel. Now this case also has horrible cable management, so I'm actually quite glad to be actually getting rid of the case. Right, so the first thing I'm going to do is remove the GPU. That can go in its box for now. And I can throw the GPU in here. So this is an AMD Radeon RX 6600, and it's been good enough for my needs. I haven't reached any limits of it. Now we can just close that up. Right. So now let's take these drives out first. So first I'll need to take out this drive cage. Still recording? Good. And I can take this out. Remove these cables. Then I can remove this hard drive. And there we go, the hard drive's out. So that's a Seagate 2TB mobile hard drive. Now let's also get the DVD drive out. I'll unplug these cables first. we go, that's out. Okay, what next? Okay, I'll unplug these cables. And then take the motherboard out. Now it looks like we'll be able to take out the motherboard. I'll just grab its box. So this means there's now an anti-static place to put the motherboard. And now, in theory, I should just be able to lift this out of the case. In theory. Must be a hidden screw that I haven't seen. Nope. Just looks like I'm not pulling harsh enough. That should just be coming out, which it is now. Right. Okay. Right. That's the motherboard. IO shield. Let's get this. Give it all a bit of a dust. I don't think I've actually taken the motherboard out of this case since I built the PC in 2022. Right. Okay, so now I think I should get the case empty first. So I still need this. So I'll get the power supply out. First I'll have to just uncable tie all of these cables. I'm not sure if I'll keep the power supply yet because I may actually need to get a modular one. There we go. That's the power supply. And I'll probably get rid of those fans as well. So it may be the only thing that stays the same as my CPU, the GPU and the SSDs. Interesting. Yeah, I'll need to get some pliers for those. But that's the power supply out of the case. There we go, those are my SATA cables. So now all that needs to come out of the case is the fans. Yeah, I've got my little fan hub on here. Yeah, so many bugs with it. That's gross. That one can come out too, and that is the empty case. Why is there a loose screw there? Oh, right, I'll take the motherboard standoffs out as well, because they can go in the bag. Okay, so I'll take this away. So first, I'll remove the RAM. I've got the box for it here. There we go, got that stuck. Okay, so now that the RAM's out, let's remove the SSDs. There's one of them. And the other SSD. And then there's one final thing, which is the CPU cooler. So my other camera battery died, so let's just finish this off by removing the CPU and CPU cooler. Come on. Always does this. Latch on this motherboard never actually holds the CPU in. And that's it. That's everything. I'll need to get the CPU off there. But yeah. So that's it. Everything's disassembled. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Remember to like, share this video with your friends, comment and subscribe. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.